Yo, what's up, man? Yo, I want to thank everybody, man, for following me on my following me on my YouTube, following me on my YouTube, following me on my Instagram, and following me on my Facebook. Those are my 3 platforms. On my YouTube channel, the link is in the bio. I just hit over 111,000 subscribers. I started this channel 2 years ago. Before this channel, I had another channel that I started in 2018 that ran up from 0 subscribers to 98,500 subscribers. It got shadow banned. I took the channel down. My Instagram, I'm closing in on 40,000 followers. My Facebook I'm closing in on 10,000 followers, so 50. So I'm looking at like 160,000 followers and subscribers altogether, all 3 of my platforms. Now, some of y'all want to grow your YouTube channel. You want to grow your Instagram. You want to grow your social media footprint. Let me tell you something, man. I've been doing this since 2018. It's 2024. I've done over 60 million YouTube views. Me and Little Sean. The one thing you gotta do, if I could tell you anything, is you gotta take chances. You gotta take risks with your content. You can't be afraid to be different. You can't be afraid to break away from the herd. You can't be afraid to be yourself. The worst thing you could do, in my opinion, is bite somebody else's style and copy somebody else. That is, for me, a surefire way for me to acknowledge that, see it, and say, this nigga copying my man over there. He's disingenuous, he's not authentic. I don't want anything to do with him. Because if he's able to copy somebody else, that means he doesn't have self-esteem enough, or confidence enough, or bravery enough to be original, to be authentic, and to be himself. So there's nothing I could get from this other than what not to do. On my YouTube channel, I just started uploading videos on how to grow your YouTube channel. It's in the channel membership. The link is in the bio. And I'm talking about Instagram, Facebook, all of it. But another thing that you have to do is you have to invest in your platform. You have to take your money and invest in your platform, which is investing in you. I think a lot of YouTubers and Instagram people, they, want to be social media influencers. They want to be big YouTubers and receive a check from Google every month. Get paid for what they do. This is all I do. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a social media influencer. This is how I eat. This is how I feed me and my son. I get a check from Google every month. And the one thing I've done to help grow my platform is I've taken my money and invested my money in my platform. Whether that means getting a new camera, getting a new tripod, paying a celebrity for an interview, right? Jumping on a plane, flying across the United States to California and filming people there that I didn't know, making connections there, spend money on airfare, hotel, rental car, food, but in the process, getting content, making connections. You understand? Investing in myself, investing in me. I've paid people for interviews and didn't have a whole lot of money when I did it. But my hope was I take this interview of this celebrity, put it on my platform, perhaps get a lot of views and increase my ad revenue and get a bigger check from Google the next month. Sometimes it worked out, sometimes it didn't. But nonetheless, come on, baby. Mama need a new pair of shoes. I rolled the dice. You gotta take risks. You gotta take chances. That's my little thing for today, to tell you guys that YouTube, being a YouTuber, being an Instagram person is more than just recording a video on your phone, throwing it up, hoping it goes viral. Right? You're not a media person. You haven't reached that level yet to where you understand this media business. And I got that camera right in the joint. And you gotta work at this thing. This thing is a job, man. It's a job. You know, I've met all kind of people, you know, and then once you get big enough, now I have people that call me and want to pay me to come on my platform for the exposure. Sean, I'll pay you. Can we do an interview? And they're smart because they know that they maybe could get noticed on my platform. I have a big platform, especially as far as calisthenics is concerned, and they're betting on themselves, right? And let me say this here to you, then I'm gonna close. And if you want to get more videos like this, go over to my YouTube channel and join the channel membership. It's $10 a month. I'm uploading these kind of videos all the time. Remember this part. Write this down. And you can put this in your pipe and smoke it. And you can pour it in a glass and drink it. And you can put it in the bank and you can draw interest on it. It's not how many views your video gets or your channel gets. It's which view does your video get or does your channel get. If your video goes viral and does 700,000 views, 13 million views, but you don't get no phone call from it, you don't get no feedback from it, you don't sell no shirts from it, you don't sell no hoodies from it, you don't sell no books from it, it don't mean nothing. But you could put up a video that gets 43 views and no likes, but of them 43 views, one of them 43 views is a vice president at Netflix, Hulu, Showtime, Hollywood, Amazon, HBO, and they see your content and say, I like this. Hey, come here, get this guy on the phone. Find this guy, get him on the phone, Bring him into the office. I want to talk to him. I want to talk a deal with him. It's not how many views. It's which view. Peace.